Welcome to the EnviroPod LittaTrap instructional video. This short tutorial takes you through the steps on how to measure your catch basin for a LittaTrap and how to install and maintain your LittaTrap. You will need the following personal protection equipment: high visibility jacket, eye protection, ear protection, and gloves. You will need the following tools for installation: measuring tape, box knife, rotary hammer drill, ratchet, battery drill, and the LittaTrap. Inside the LittaTrap kit you will find bracket with masonry bolts, filter box with plastic seals, self-driving screws, and a filter bag. The LittaTrap also comes with an installation guide. Many catch basins are curbside or in busy traffic areas. Make sure to adequately cone off and neutralize any hazard. It is essential to follow any local or national health and safety guidelines. How to measure a catch basin. Using a credit card or card cut to the exact size of a credit card, place the credit card on the front edge of the catch basin closed grate. Position camera over center of the grate and take a photo of the drain with card in view. Next, open up the grate, leaving the card in the same place. Focus the picture on the water level or base by touching the screen. Make sure the inside of the catch basin is visible in the photo. If there is bright sunshine, you may need to shade the basin. If you can't see the water level in the photos will not be suitable, and it will be difficult to determine the correct size LittaTrap. Send the two photos to info@enviropod.com and we can design and manufacture the correct model of LittaTrap for your catch basin. For irregularities or troubleshooting when measuring the catch basin, please refer to the website enviropod.com. To install a LittaTrap, firstly check the grate. If the grate is removable, remove for easier installation. Place the bracket at approximately 200 mm below the grate, or low enough to intercept any curb entry inlet, and ensure it is level. Using the rotary hammer drill, drill holes into the concrete basin using the bracket holes as guidelines. Insert the masonry bolt and, using the ratchet, secure the masonry bolts through the bracket into the basin wall and tighten to secure. Repeat for the other side using the second masonry bolt. Please note, some basins may require 3 bolts. Place the filter box onto the bracket assembly and position below the grate opening. Next, install the plastic seals. Measure and trim the plastic seals to size with the box knife as necessary, making sure the seals are flush with the inside filter box edge. Secure them using the self-drilling screws. Complete on all 4 sides, screwing through the filter box into the bracket. To complete assembly, simply lower the LittaTrap filter bag into the basin, making sure it's snug. Lastly, replace the grate and installation is complete. When your LittaTrap needs maintaining, it's as simple as lift, tip, replace. Simply open the grate, lift the filter bag out using the handles, tip out into a rubbish bin or appropriate container, replace filter bag and close the grate.